Hi, today I'm going to demonstrate the coconut pudding.
Ingredients are coconut milk 350 grams, gelatin 15 grams, fresh milk 50 milliliters, boiling water 150 milliliters, egg white 1 piece, rock sugar 50 grams or granulated sugar 40 grams. First of all, we add boiling water into gelatine, stir it until dissolved. Then beat egg white. Use medium heat to cook. We pour coconut milk, fresh milk and sugar into a saucepan. Keep stirring during cooking until sugar completely dissolved, then turn off the heat. Add egg white into the mixture, stir it immediately, then add gelatine and stir it again. Finally, we pour the mixture into a container. Use a spoon to take out the bubbles. Keep refrigerate for 3 to 4 hours. Slice and serve. Enjoy!